Hello everyone, today I'll show you one of the coolest things I think I've ever made. So a few years back I was trying to make an MMA account on Instagram and grow it. So I do MMA and I wanted to market myself, and so one of the ways you do that is you go to similar accounts as you and you just follow everyone who's following them. And there's some ethical implications to this, but I won't get into all of that. So you'll see here it just logs me in. This is a throwaway account of course because I don't want to get banned. And yes, that is something that might happen, so be aware of that. And here it goes to this account that I've already given it, I've fed it in. And what it does is it's just gonna follow everyone here automatically. And as you can see, there's like a million followers that they have, so I'm not gonna go all the way here, but you can see it scrolls down automatically, just follows everyone automatically. Let me just close that right there. So yeah, I think that's pretty cool. I've used Selenium to make this. I've used Python of course, and I might give it a user interface at some point. Also, I'm going to recode it so that you can put in multiple accounts. That's pretty easy. The way I've made it is pretty modular, so you can do that pretty easily. But yeah, I think this is a pretty cool tool. If you're interested, I'll leave the link to my Git in the description below. And yeah, I hope you enjoy. Thank you.